4.2. Let us learn a trick to multiply by 11 without using the table of 11. You can't use the table of 11 to solve this one. Okay, here is one example. 11 into 2345. Okay, look here, 2345. First, for solving this one, you have to put 0 before the actual number and you have to put another 0 after the actual number. Here actual number is 2345. So you have to put 0, 2, 3, 4, 5 in, and you have to put 0 in prefix place and you have to another 0 fix place. So number is 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. So what you will do to get the answer? Now first you have to add last 2 digits. 5 plus 0. You will get 5. Clear? After that you have to add 5 and 4. 5 and 4. 5 and 4. 5 plus 4. 9. After that you have to add 4 plus 3. 7. After that 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. 5. Now next 2 digit, last 2 digit, 2 plus 0. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be 25795. 25795. After that, first you have to write 2 in reverse way. 25795. Okay. Another one I am doing for you. So what we will do here? First you add 5 plus 0, after 5 plus 4, after that 4 plus 3, after that 3 plus 2, then 2 plus 1. Okay? Now in your book, here is two problem. Now use the above method to find the following product. A 10 A 11 into 1926. Now what you will do? First you have to put 0 in prefix and suffix place. So 0, 1, 9, 2, 6, 0. 1926 is the actual number. You have to put 0 in prefix place and another 0 in suffix place. Okay? Prefix means putting any digit before the number and suffix means you have to put any digit after the number. Now, what is the method? First you have to add 6 plus 0. So you will get 6. After that 6 plus 2. So you will get that 2 plus 6. 8. After that 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9. 11. 2 plus 9 or 9 plus 2 you can write in way. 9 plus 2 11. 11. but you cannot write 11 here. You cut 1 and write here, and 1 is your hand. After that, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 9 plus 1, 10. Here is 1, so plus 1, 11. You have to put 1. Again 1 is extra or you need your hand. After that, 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0. And here is another 1. So 2. Okay. So your answer will be, you have to write in this way. First you have to write 2, then 1, then 1, then 8, after that 6. Clear? I think now you have clear your concept. B, 11 into 23,475. Students, first you have to try. Okay? Now, what I have told, you have to put 0 before the actual number and you have to put another 0 after the actual number. Which one is actual number? 23,475. You have to put 0 in prefix and suffix place. So 0, 2, 3, 4, 7, 5 and 0. Next rule, you have to add last 2 digits. Okay, after that the next one, 2 digits means 5 plus 0. So 5 plus 0, 5. After that 5 plus 7 or 7 plus 5. So 7 plus 5, 12. 12. You cut 2 and write 2 here, and 1 is in your hand. After that 7 plus 4. So 7 plus 4, 11. So, or 4 plus 7, anything 4 plus 7 plus 1 is in your hand, plus 1. Now add here 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. Again 12. You cut 2 and write here, and 1 is in your hand. After that, 4 plus 3. And here is 1. So 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Then you have to add 3 plus 2. So 2 plus 3, 5. Which one left? Last 2 digit? 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0. Or 0 plus 2. So you have to write the number in this way, in reverse way. First you have to write 2, then 5, then 5, then 8, then 2, then 2, then 5. So your answer will be 2,58,225. Clear? First you pause the video. Okay? After that you watch this video or this portion very carefully and sincerely. I think after watching this video you can easily solve another one. Okay? So watch the video carefully and practice maths every day. Thank you.